Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I am PixelPia, and if you have followed me for a while, you know that I really enjoy working in Canva. And Canva has recently added a lot of features based on AI to their website. And today I'm going to show you some of them that are really interesting for those of us who create for print on demand. So let's move right over to my computer. So here we are in Canva. Right now I'm logged in with my free account, and this is how it looks the first time you log in to see all these new magic that Canva has added. You can look here at the event that they created, but then we have all these little gift boxes we can open. So let's see what they offer. We have Magic Write. Not all of these will work in the free version. And if you haven't tried the pro version yet, I have a link down in the description that takes you to the pro version, a free 30-day trial. The next gift we have to open is Play with Draw. Draw has been there for a while, but they have made some changes. Then we have Magic Design. This is something that we can use when it comes to promoting on social media. Try out Magic Edit and Magic Erase. The next gift we're opening here is Magic Presentation. And the next one is also a pro feature, Edit with Beatsync animation. Since I am focusing on creating for print on demand, we have no need for animation. The Brand Hub is a pro function, Translate. It's very interesting to use it for us that create for print on demand. And then we have Text to Image. This can be really fun to use if you are creating for print on demand. I have logged in to my pro account. So before we start creating, let's take a quick look at Tryout Magic Design. This is the part where you can save a lot of time if you want to publish on social media, because it creates templates that you then can go in and officiate. So insert media, and I have here a shirt that I have made earlier on Sassel. So I choose that, and here you see it puts it in a lot of different Instagram posts, stories, posters. Some are pro features and some are free features. We can choose a style, and this is where you choose a color theme combined with two different fonts here. So let's see this one. See results. Okay, that looks like something that would fit me. The last part is a headline, and here we can put in the main thing we want to say with our publications. New products available on my Sassel store. Add to results. And here you see it went in new. So let's take a look at this. It's a Pinterest pin, and it's a free version. Customize this template. And from here, it's the same way as it always is when we work in Canva. We can go in and change the text and the fonts, and even change images and colors and so forth. But it's a very quick way to get ideas for layouts. And that was a Pinterest. Maybe I want to do a Facebook post as well. And I open that, so I will have the same style and the same color scheme on all my different social media posts. Quickly and easily set up. Now, let's start creating. We start by creating a new blank design, 500 pixels by 500 pixels. I'm gonna use this little creature that I have created earlier in Midjourney. I need to get the background off here, and that is a Pro functions. If you don't have Pro, as I said, you can try it using my link in the description, but there are many websites where you can upload your image to get rid of the background. Now we're gonna use text to image. I think I have it in the toolbar here. So we're gonna give the information what we need. We need a park bench facing the camera. We need a sunset in the background, some trees and birds would look nice. Create your image here at the bottom. And here we got 4 of them, none that is facing forward. So we can create again. See if we have better luck this time. Not really. Let's see, we can change the style of it and maybe go with, let's add the prompt a little bit. Close up of a park bench facing the camera, sunset in the background, some trees and birds, and let's say in the style of Hawaii, and see what that gives us. That looks much better. Let's use this one. So now I'm just adding that to my image. I right click and set as background. Now I'm gonna make my little koala, no, my little slot here a little smaller so he sits on the park bench. And now I want to add a squirrel. Let's take the first one. Again, I'm gonna remove the background and let's drag him down there. Now let's add some text and say friendship. Drag it up there and maybe change the font to something more interesting. Now we're gonna use translate. And to easily find translate, we're gonna use the little Canva assistant, which is a new feature here in Canva. Down in the bottom right corner, we click on that and we see magic write, text, add textbook, share, but we can also search for translate. And here we have it. And as you can see by the little star, this is a Pro function. Now translate opened in the left side here. Automatically detect, or you can put English, and let's translate it to something I actually know, Swedish, and page 1, we only have 1 page, and hit translate. That didn't work too well with that font, so let's change to Anton. Now it looks right. Vänskap. Now let's go back and let's try magic write. Let's open another 500 by 500 design and let's go down to the little magic assistant here. Magic write. 10 statements about friendship in less than 60 characters. And here we have them, statements that we can use on a t-shirt, for example. And here I'm fast forwarding while I'm setting up a layout for a t-shirt using one of these prompts. And I will soon continue with the tutorial. With the text tool, we now have a new effect, and that is outline. Something that I have missed for a long time. And let's fast forward as I finish this design. Now we're just gonna look at one more thing, and we're using a blank 500 to 500 again. We go to my uploads and we're gonna add this little squirrel. So here we have my little squirrel. We go into, we choose the picture, go to edit photo, and here we have under tools the magic eraser and the magic edit. as you can see, Magic Edit is right now in beta and everybody can use it. The Magic Eraser is in Pro. So we're gonna try this and let's see if I just click over that and it's gone. And down here we can reset Eraser. The other one is Magic Edit. So let's make this a little bit bigger again. So we're gonna edit this, and this is a little different because we can't erase things, but we can replace them. So now I have covered the thing I want to change. I click continue, and let's say I want a feather there instead. So it says generate. And let's see, that one looks fine. And here we go. My image has now changed, so he has a feather in his hat. This Magic Edit can be used by anybody. So those were a few of the new features in Canva that uses AI. I hope you got a little bit inspired and that you will go in and play around with them yourself. I have right now in my community tab a survey where you have the chance to tell me what you would like to see more of in the channel, and I will have that linked in the description if you would do me a big favor and answer the survey. Until next time, bye.